Hi, welcome back to Battleship Cove. With Preserving the Fleet here, I'm Tom Lowney, GM1, Gunner's Mate First Class, retired. Coming to you here at Battleship Cove, showing you how we preserve the fleet in different exhibits that are coming together. We're going to show you this area here, the Gedunk area, which is basically an ice cream bar and soda fountain for the crew, and its restoration and the beginnings of it. When she came here to Battleship Cove, everything was buttoned up, parts were stripped off, and over time we've been accumulating material to restore this space. They actually had that on a battleship. You had over 2,000 people on board here. So to keep morale up and to keep the crew fed well, and ice cream was part of that. We could make it here. The original ice cream machines are here, and you can see them. Old-fashioned ice cream machines, so they would actually make the ice cream down here. The freezers that stored it as they made it. And this is a very popular thing on board, because it was, you had your soda jerks in here, your sailors who were actually serving, and we have videos of the gentleman over here talking about it. Once the exhibit's fully back up and running, not these machines, Board of Health wouldn't let us do this. These would have to be taken out, sent out, and redone, but they're made by General Electric as well. The plaques here, we'll clean her all up and get her looking good. She won't function, but we'll be able to serve ice cream on board here, because we'll have modern machinery doing it on the side, but her looks will be authentic. As you can see, the original display board that was put up for the Gedunk. And if you wonder where the word Gedunk come from, that's an interesting story. Gedunk is the sound of coins used to make in the soda machines. So when you drop the coin in the mechanics and it dropped into a basket, you hear gedunk, gedunk. It would be turning gears and opening levers for that way to open the doors to get at sodas. And it's really, I never really noticed it until on the Battleship Wisconsin when we recommissioned her. We had the soda machines back aft, and they were loading them up for the first time and testing the new machines, and the storekeepers were just loading up the machines and dropping the coins, making sure it worked, and all you heard was gedunk, 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 gedunk. So it just became a nickname in the fleet, Gedunk. So Gedunk meaning ice cream, soda, paraphernalia that be sold for the crew that would normally not be there. So here you have storage areas for making ice cream, refrigeration units, and this would probably be a mixer, not 100% sure, or a cream, not 100% on this one. I'm a gunner's mate, so not a soda jerk. But over here, as you come around, you can see the old-fashioned Coca-Cola machines and all the material. So you come on over and take a look. That would be part of the Gedunk area and the ice cream bar. So we've been accumulating stuff from different ships that we've gone through and getting ready to restore it. Now the cooler that's would have been right here has been sent out to be rebuilt. So you have the ventilation system, the chiller is part of this. So when that comes in, we'll hook everything up, and it's going to be a steady, slow process to get this up and running. But we're going to show you this now so you can see it before and after. It's a massive effort. The staff has started chipping the bulkhead, cleaning it and prepping it, and getting it ready for its final coat of paint. So outside here, this area you'd pull up would be expanded metal at the time, just like you see out here. These would be brought up around 1 o'clock, and that way after lunch you'd have the fountain. They would generate money to help for the ship's recreation fund, and sailors could actually help benefit the ship's rec fund by buying ice cream, which was on a ship. World War II, the Pacific, this was a moneymaker. So Jack Gibson over here is going through making it. He was one of the former crew members. And he goes into detail because that was his job. This was his area. And in time, when we get this restored, in conjunction with this area, you'll be able to see the video again, his education of this. But what we also had was the ship stores on the other side of the bulkhead here. And there was a mess area, which we're going to restore. So when you get your ice cream here in the future, you come in, get it, sit down, enjoy your ice cream. Because we don't want you taking it around the ship and making it filthy. It's just a lot to clean up on here. It's a courtesy thing, but we'll eventually get that going too. So all this is going to be painted out. The chief's mess is another area here, and their berthing. That's going to be eventually restored. But that's later on. We'll cover that one in another episode. Stay tuned, Chiefs. We could use your help. That's going to be another story for us. And again, another set of coolers here. So this is one of the projects that's just started. Slowly working it. We're getting her back up. And in time, she'll look good. So, stay tuned. We'll get back to in the future thing on the restoration and progress as this goes. Thank you for your time. Your help is appreciated. Volunteers, we need you. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. Help us preserve your fleet, because this fleet is yours. We're preserving the history of your grandfathers, uncles, great uncles, life aboard a battleship. So if you want to actually volunteer, come in and help with the project, contact the Cove through the website, follow the links, and contact us. Let us know you want to help, and we're glad to point you in the right direction. Until then, hope to see you out there, shipmates. Take care, have fun, and thank you for your time.